It's your girl Queen. Up here finna fry some chicken real quick. I hope you guys can see this. So, I have already seasoned my chicken, so you guys can't see it really high, but as you can see, the yellow stuff is mustard. I really don't care about sharing it with y'all. A little bit of flour, you know what I'm saying, on my chicken. So yeah, turn my TV down. And see, my pan wasn't quite hot like it should have been, because my pan should have been like, you should be hearing frying. My grandma always told me, when you fry chicken, you should hear like the bubbling in it, and my pan wasn't ready, and that's on me. But my fiance hates when I cook on high, but oh well. I'm trying to get this done and over with. So yeah, it's your girl Queen. How do you fry your chicken? I put mustard on my chicken. I put seasoned salt, garlic, black pepper, onion. Oh, I forgot to put some red sauce on my chicken. I'm gonna put some in my pan. But basically, yeah, that's what it is. Okay? So right now I'm just frying some chicken. I got my macaroni in the oven real quick, which that's gonna take a little minute, but you guys see me get my chicken in the bowl. Macaroni cooking. I want Tiara to go take a bath. Like I said, people always ask me, well, what you do on your YouTube video? I do a variety of things. You hear me? Right now, as you know, I'm cooking. It's aggravating how to spend money. Tiara, because you can run the water before you bring her in there. Yeah, basically, I'm trying to fry this chicken real quick. And then I'm gonna make turkey bacon. That's turkey bacon. Turkey bacon. So I use turkey bacon for my string beans. Yeah. Tiara, sit down! Because you run that water, she could bathe while the water running.
Already did. It's done.
It ain't done that quick, you just went in there. You get the stain on my neck. That's situated, and let my chicken cook. This pan I brought from Publix, which I thought it was going to get off, but still taking this time. For right now, I'm just frying chicken and making string beans. Oh wait, I'm gonna let y'all see. So this is my string beans, as y'all see in the pan. I use turkey bacon, so I'm not gonna use a lot of seasoning. I'm just gonna put a little bit of garlic, which I like garlic. Complete season, not too much. Just a little for the taste. A little black pepper. A little black pepper. That's it. Everybody do their stuff different, you know. Okay. I want them things to be busting off the bone. Not too much. You don't need too much of that. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Got my turkey in there. Just turkey dressing. A little bit of butter because I like butter. And stir it up real good. Okay. Boom, let that cook. Now my chicken is fine. My macaroni's in the oven. Cooking perfect. So yeah, you guys know I'm just cooking a little bit for tonight. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is all the chicken I have left to fry. I'm gonna fry that and let my chicken brown. Oh, I ain't show y'all the chicken. And then the string beans is gonna cook it out the top for a little bit. So this is my chicken trying to cook slowly, but it's trying. Man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You already know it's your girl Queen back with another video, cooking in the kitchen. I'm gonna give you second part too. Boom.